Hey dreamers, welcome back to Dream Free Art. It's Tina and I am here doing the quarantined edition of my Find and Paint series. And for this Find and Paint episode, I have decided to give this set of drawers a new makeover. So I don't know if you know or have realized how much I love leopard print, but I really love leopard print. So why not keep it going and give the drawers a leopard print design as well? So step 1, spray paint the drawers. I picked this really soft shade of pink that's also metallic because I like things that are pink and shiny also. And I am using a sweeping motion to cover the entire drawer with the spray paint. I did let the drawers completely dry before I was ready to decorate them. It's time for another honest crafter moment. So at this point, I thought I was going to use my pretty metallic Sharpies to draw on the leopard print spots. Yeah, that actually didn't go too well. No matter how hard I tried, it just was not working. The color of the Sharpie would never actually saturate, and it actually kept drying out my Sharpies, which were relatively brand new. Not only that, but you could see the stroke marks in the color, and it wasn't filling in properly. My leopard is looking a little sick here. So I guess it's time to put away the Sharpies and bring out my trusty paint. So now I'm going to use my pure gold metallic colored paint and fix these spots up. Yes, that's exactly how I wanted that to look. And while I'm waiting for my layers of gold paint to dry on the spots, I'm actually going to go ahead and paint the handles of the drawer with the gold paint as well. And I never gave up hope on using my metallic Sharpies on this project. So instead, I decided to draw some leopard spots on the inside. Now that layer upon layer of the gold paint is dry, I can go ahead and paint with my metallic black. It's very simple to make the leopard spots. I'm going to use my black paint to make random shapes that look like the letter C on the ends of each gold circle. This way it's random and it doesn't look like it's a predictable pattern that's forming, and it actually creates the look of leopard spots. And to finish off, I'm adding the spots to the top and the sides as well. And here it is, the finished drawer set. I absolutely love this. Of course, it is pink, it's shiny, it's glittery, and it's covered in leopard print spots. Considering how we started off here with the plain white and quite frankly, quite boring set of plastic drawers, I actually absolutely love how this finished product turned out. So now when I put away my crafting tools, I will be really pleased with what I'm looking at. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want to see more projects like this. I have a feeling that I'm going to be redoing a lot of plastic drawers in my future. Until next time, dreamers, bye.